Hi, I'm Meredith. We're excited to be here, and today we're all going to learn something new. As a leader in digital farming, we at FieldView work hard to make sure every tool is both powerful and simple to use. But when it comes to things like algorithms and data science, it's really easy just to get lost in the numbers. As you know, there is an art and a science to seed selection and placement. And for that, we have one of our data science managers, Fletcher, who's going to show us a fun way to think about data-driven seed prescriptions. So Fletcher, let's get started with something simple. How do you write a seed prescription?
That's a great question, Meredith. So when you write a seed prescription, you want to take in as much information as possible to build the best possible seed prescription for a given seed on a given field. Now what that usually means is that you're going to take your personal data, you're going to combine it with your personal experience, and find a prescription that you feel works. At the end of the season, that'll be the ultimate test on that seed prescription. And the outcomes could be any of these that are along the bottom here of this Plinko board. We've got flat yield, fewer bushels, more profit in bushels where we really want to land, fewer bushels again, that seems like a risky box, and then more profit at the very end there. You'll see, though, to get there, you've got to go through this simulated season. And so we've called out a few of the factors that might influence what your ultimate outcome will be. That includes drought, and then on the other extreme, heavy rain, soil type, disease, temperature, hail, as well as strong wind. So let's go ahead and take this first planting prescription and put it through one of our simulated seasons and see where we land. All right, we've landed in fewer bushels. So for this particular season, that seed script didn't optimize the outcome that we desired. So I'll go ahead and send one more through just to give a sense of what the different outcomes could be. And we've hit fewer bushels twice. Those are two back-to-back bad seasons. Now, FieldView seed scripts takes in that specific field's historical performance, but it also combines it with hundreds of thousands of research fields. Now, using that data together, we pass it through an advanced model, and we come out with what we feel is the best possible prescription for your individual field. What that does is it significantly improves the probability that you're going to wind up in this middle bucket, more profit and bushels. To simulate it here, that's kind of like setting up some bumper plates. Would you give me a hand, Meredith? So we'll set up these bumper plates to really force our outcome of seed scripts to land where we want it. And I think you probably know where this is going. More profit in bushels.
Wow, what a great result with FieldView seed scripts. For that, I think you need a prize.
Wow, that's a little bit corny.